assistive touch button on iPhone is very interesting feature on iPhones. So you can volume up and down or go to home buttons or lots of things you can do with these assistive touch buttons without pressing physical buttons. So before using this, you need to enable this feature on iPhone. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable and configure or customize this assistive touch button on iPhone. So this is Anis. Welcome back to another video. If you're new in my channel, please consider subscribe and hit the bell icon for my latest update. If you did already, thank you so much. So let's get started. I'm using iPhone 13 Pro Max, so I hope this feature is in work every iPhone model. So for enabling assistive touch button, go to settings, then tap on accessibility, then here is touch, then tap on touch, and as you can see, assistive touch is currently turned up, then turn on, and as you can see, assistive touch here. So you can customize each assistive touch. As you can see, here's lots of feature. You can control panel, then go to home or and device. You can volume up or down and mute from here. Then here the lots of, and you can take screenshot and you can call emergency from here or restart your iPhone, and you can customize this. So here the for customize, tap on customize top level menu, and by default it 6 icon added, but you can add more than 6, almost 8, but you can add 8. Then you can use any of this feature from assistive touch button. You can add this camera, then here is app switcher, and yeah, then back, and here is for single tap to open menu, it's okay. Then double tap to open camera, yes. Then long press to okay, select lock screen. You can increase or decrease opacity. So ideal is 40 is ideal. Then go to home, and as you can see, it's open, and you can turn on Siri or click to control panel and home again. So yeah, you can customize lots of way. It has tons of feature. So if you have any questions, please let me know in comments. If this video did helpful, please thumbs up and share my video. See you on the next.